guys, Hasan here. In this video I'm going to check out the Lensgo TC7 Teleprompter. I want to thank Lensgo for sending me out the TC7 Teleprompter for reviewing. Of course, I will tell you my independent personal experience about it. First things first, the Lensgo TC7 has a great design. It looks very nice with the extruded teleprompter logo on the front cover. On the top there is a cold shoe mount. where you can mount a mic or a video light. On the bottom there is a 1/4 inch mount to install teleprompter on any tripod. If you open the front cover, we can see the teleprompter glass, which reflects the text clearly without any ghostings. Also, we need to put our phone or tablet on the front cover. Not to forget to mention that the teleprompter is made of plastic, which feels nice and makes it light and compact. Of course, it needs to be light to mount it on the camera lens without any support. We can also use this teleprompter with our mobile phones, thanks to the included phone holder and shading rings. Also, there are 9 ring adapters to use this teleprompter on any camera lens out there. I'm currently using my Sony a6300 Cineric with the Sony 18-105G lens, which has a 72mm thread. Me speaking in the whole video was recorded using the Lensgo TC7 Teleprompter. I cannot see any quality disadvantages using this teleprompter. The image is clear. Also, Lensgo used a great quality glass on this teleprompter. It reflects the text without any ghosting, so that I can easily read my text without any trouble. I'm using a Sony 18-105G lens, which has a 72mm thread. I installed the 72mm adapter ring on my lens and put the TC7 teleprompter on it. You only need to slide the teleprompter into the lens adapter. Now just open the front cover and put your phone on it and start recording your video. I am using the Teleprompter app from the Play Store. I needed to pay around 10 euros for one time. Once it's activated, I can mirror the text horizontally and connect the included Bluetooth remote to start and stop the text. One of the reasons why I go for this app is that I can use this on both platforms, on iOS and Android. All of my scripts are synchronized on all of my devices. The Lensgo TC7 is a great budget teleprompter for around 60 euros. It's compact and lightful. The installation is very simple and it's compatible with many lenses out there thanks to the included adapter rings. You can also use the phone holder and the shading rings to record your videos with your mobile phone. I personally won't use it with my phone. I will just install the adapter ring on my lens, slide the teleprompter on it and go for it. My only complaint is that it's a bit tricky to take it off the lens. You need to press the 2 pieces right here to take it off from the lens adapter. A release button would be great for the further development. If you're looking for a great teleprompter, but you don't have much money to spend, then you're right with the Lensgo TC7 Teleprompter. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you next time.